I am Katie Loversidge.
And I'm Maren Kuspan.
And we're both designers at Schooley Caldwell. And we're here this morning at the Hoster Brewery in the Brewery District in downtown Columbus.
At the northwest corner of the east block of Hoster, we are currently removing the outer wipe of the brick. Currently, a lot of the bricks in that wall are in bad shape. So right here, we have a historic sash that was found inside the brewery building. A lot of the historic windows are no longer intact, have been removed or are in storage now. To restore them, they will sand the windows down, remove the existing paint, refinish the wood, refinish the muntins on the windows, install new double pane glass to replace the current single pane glass, and then repaint the exterior with a finish that's weatherproof. On the north end of the east block of Hoster, the windows in that space had been bricked in for around 80 years and are now being reopened for the first time, and the room is seeing light again.